Are you looking for ways to make your RV van more comfortable, stylish, and functional? Whether you are looking for a full on renovation or just a few simple upgrades, there are lots of ways to spruce up your RV van. Here are some RV vans renovation ideas that you can use to make your space more enjoyable. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. Are you looking to give your RV van a makeover and make it feel like home? An RV van renovation can be an exciting and rewarding project. Here are some ideas to help you get started. Number 1. Install a kitchenette. A kitchenette is an essential feature in any RV van renovation. Consider installing a small sink, a stove or cooktop, a refrigerator, and cabinets for storage. Number 2. Upgrade the cabinets. If your RV van's cabinets are looking a bit worn out, consider replacing them with something more modern and stylish. Choose cabinets with plenty of storage space and make sure to line them with waterproof materials to keep your possessions safe and dry. Number 3. Upgrade your insulation. Keep your RV warm in the winter and cool in the summer is essential to your comfort. Look into adding additional insulations or replacing existing insulation. Number 4. Choose the right flooring. Flooring can make a big difference in the look and feel of your RV van. Choose something durable and waterproof like vinyl or laminate so you don't have to worry about spills and messes and also easier cleaning and maintenance. Number 5. Add a roof rack. A roof rack is a great way to store your camping gear, bikes, and other equipment while you are on the go. You can even find the racks that are designed specially for RVs so you can be sure your gear will stay secure. Number 6. Add some storage. Installing of new cabinets and shelves can help you stay organized and make the most of your space. Number 7. Invest in a solar energy system. Installing solar panels on the RV van is an excellent way to generate your own power, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice on the road. Number 8. Install energy efficient windows. Replacing your windows with energy efficient windows can help keep your RV a comfortable temperature year round and save on energy cost. Number 9. Install a backup camera. Installing a backup camera is a great way to make your RV van more safe and secure. You will be able to keep an eye on your surroundings even when you are driving in reverse. Number 10. Installing security features. Installing security features like motion sensors and surveillance cameras can help you keep your RV van safe from thieves and other unwanted visitors. Number 11. Upgrade your bedding. Make sure you have comfortable bedding in your RV van. Choose a mattress that's designed for RVs and don't forget to add plenty of pillows and blankets for those chilly nights. Number 12. Refinish or replace furniture. Reupholster furniture or invest in new pieces to give your RV a new look. Number 13. Add a shower. If you are looking for a way to refreshen up while you are on the road, consider installing a shower in your RV van. You can find portable showers that are designed specially for RVs, so you can enjoy a hot shower even in the middle of nowhere. Number 14. Upgrade your lighting. Upgrading your lighting can make a huge difference in the look and feel of your RV van. Add new lighting fixtures or replace existing ones to create a cozy atmosphere. Choose LED lights to save energy and install dimmers to give you the perfect amount of light in any situation. Number 15. Add a TV. A TV is a great way to stay entertained while you are on the road. You can even find TVs specially designed for RVs, so you don't have to worry about finding a power source. Number 16. Paint your walls. A fresh coat of paint can give your RV a whole new look. Choose a warm neutral colors to make the space feel cozy and inviting. These are just a few of the many RV van renovation ideas you can use to make your RV van more comfortable and functional. With these little bit of work and creativity, you can give your RV van a whole new look. Have fun with your RV van renovation and make it your own, and you can transform your RV into the perfect home away from home. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoy your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.